In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cabin air filter on your Jeep Patriot located behind the glove box. Let's go ahead and open up our glove box. And on the inside, right here, there is a cable. We're going to use our screwdriver and just pop this button down and push that in. Now we're going to push on both of these sides here inward. Drop this down. Right here is where the cabin air filter is. So each side has a little tab. You're going to push inward. So you're going to push in on both of these tabs. And you can see our cabin air filter right here. Pull that out. You can see ours is absolutely filthy. Now if you see any debris inside here, you can go ahead and use a vacuum to go ahead and clean that out. We're going to install our cabin air filter. On the cover itself, it says airflow facing down. When we removed our cabin air filter, it was actually upside down. So installing the new one, you can see it says airflow facing down. And it'll only fit in one way. So let's go ahead and slide that in. Go ahead and take your cover, line that up, snap it on. Now that we have our air filter in place and we have the cover on, we want to bring up our glove box, but we're not going to push it up yet. We need to reach back here and grab this cable with the little retainer button on it. We need to bring up our glove box and we need to push that in on the side over here, pushing it inward. All right, it's now locked in place. Push it on both sides. And then we can close our glove box. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.